Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to transform this ordinary kitchen into a stunning Mediterranean-inspired space. We'll be using a variety of elements like terracotta tiles, whitewashed walls, wooden ceiling beams, stone countertops, archways, wrought iron accents, open shelving, mosaic backsplashes, Mediterranean color palette, Mediterranean-style cabinets, farmhouse sink, hanging pot racks, rustic wooden doors, terracotta planters, Mediterranean-style hood, hand-painted tiles, Mediterranean-style faucets, window shutters, pendant lighting, and stone or brick wall accents. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. The first step is to lay the foundation for our Mediterranean kitchen. We'll begin by installing beautiful terracotta tiles on the floor to add that rustic charm. Next, we'll create a bright and airy ambience by applying a coat of whitewashed paint on the walls. Step 2. Warmth and character. Now, let's bring some warmth and character to the space. We'll install wooden ceiling beams to give that authentic Mediterranean feel. These beams add a touch of elegance and make the room more inviting. Step 3. Elegant and durable countertops. No Mediterranean kitchen is complete without elegant and durable stone countertops. They not only provide a stylish workspace but also complement the overall design. Let's get these installed for a classic look. Step 4. Transitional elements. To create a seamless transition between rooms, we'll incorporate archways. These architectural elements will add an elegant touch and help define the Mediterranean style throughout the home. Step 5. Decorative accents. Let's add some decorative accents using wrought iron elements. We can have pendant lights, pot racks, and other accessories with wrought iron finishes to enhance the Mediterranean charm. Step 6. Open shelving and mosaic backsplash. Open shelving is a great way to showcase colorful pottery and kitchenware. We'll also install a stunning mosaic backsplash, inspired by traditional Mediterranean patterns, to add a focal point to the kitchen. Step 7. Color and cabinets. Next, let's infuse the room with a Mediterranean color palette. Think warm terracotta, blues, yellows, and greens. We'll also replace the existing cabinets with Mediterranean-style ones, featuring distressed wood and ornate detailing. Step 8. Farmhouse sink and hanging pot racks. A farmhouse sink is a must-have in a Mediterranean kitchen. It not only looks charming but is also practical. And for added style and convenience, we'll install hanging pot racks to keep our cookware within reach. Step 9. Rustic touches. To complete the look, we'll add some rustic touches. Replace the doors with rustic wooden ones, and bring in terracotta planters with herbs and plants to connect with nature. Step 10. Final touches. For the final touches, we'll install a Mediterranean-style hood for the cooking area, hand-painted tiles for a touch of artistry, and Mediterranean-style faucets for that vintage appeal. We'll also incorporate window shutters to regulate natural light and pendant lighting to create a warm ambience. To complete the Mediterranean look, we'll add stone or brick wall accents for a rustic and textured feel. Conclusion. And there you have it. Our Mediterranean kitchen is now transformed into a captivating and inviting space, reflecting the beauty and charm of the coastal regions of Southern Europe. I hope you enjoyed this makeover as much as I did. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.